First, visit the download link and slide right to download it. Once the APK is completed downloading, open and install it on the target device. Open the app and continue to install KidsGuard for social. Click Yes when it prompts you to enable install unknown apps, and turn on the allow from this source to install it. Next, open KidsGuard for social and log into it with your KidsGuard account. Now you can follow the instructions to finish the setup. Now, you've completed the configuration and can monitor multiple social platforms on the target device. Open the browser on your device, log into the KidsGuard website, tap the profile picture at the top right, choose a monitoring tool you've purchased, such as KidsGuard for WhatsApp, and you can see all the activity of the target WhatsApp account. With just one setup, you'll unlock all-in-one monitoring for WhatsApp, Facebook, TikTok, and more, with no need to repeat installation for every platform. By tapping the profile photo at top right, you can switch to other monitoring tools. Get started today with your first plan and enjoy full control.